Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to head to Target and Ulta. I have to pick up a couple things for my trip to Miami. I gotta get a couple of travel size things and other random things like that I can't think of off the top of my head. So first things first, Ulta. Keep all of my travel things in these little bags here. So I just like to go through them first and see what I have and see what I need. I always like to have like allergy things, painkillers, stuff like that. Pepto, because you just never know what's gonna happen. I guess I have an extra toothbrush. I have a bunch of shampoo and conditioner. So I'm good on that. Really gotta go through and think of what I need exactly. Bug spray, I don't think I'll need that. Got hair or next day hair. Texturizing stuff. Deodorant wipes. I like these when I'm on the beach just to, you know, freshen up. These ginger tablets I'd love to have too because, you know, my stomach is always hurting. Q-tips, lint roller. Just gotta go through and see exactly what I need now. I always have this Rio Sunset oil on vacation with me because it gives you the most gorgeous glow after being in the sun all day. And I have my mini Kiehl's Creme de Corpse body lotion, best lotion in the entire world. And I got a little travel sized one so I could just throw it in. And then I have this balm that I used up, so I just cleaned it out and I put my face moisturizer in it because it's really small and compact and efficient. So I gotta go to the store and get a little mini face wash, and I feel like that's it. So, I just got back from Ulta. I look crazy. This hair of mine is just really driving me crazy. But, I'm going to show you guys what I got. Is it just focusing on my rosary? Yeah, okay. It wants to focus on everything but me. So first things first is an absolute must if you're going to be in the sun. It's the Maui Bay Browning Lotion. I'm sure everyone has tried this by now. And if you haven't, where have you been? You need this. Then I got this Pacifica Mineral Sunscreen, Coconut Probiotic Technology. And it's a spray because I like to spray, especially when my hands are like in sand and stuff all day. So you always want to use a mineral sunscreen too, and I can't remember why. I'm the worst. I know these things, but then I have short-term memory loss and I cannot remember why. What mineral is supposed to be a lot better and it like deflects UVB. I don't know. Just don't take what I'm saying seriously. Just use mineral and Google why. Then I got something new and fun that I never do, but I thought, you know, in Miami, let's have a little fun. So I got these little individual lashes and then a little lash glue, just, you know, to put on my ends for a night out, you know, spice things up a little bit, change it up. Then I got this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. The one I have right now is way too light, so I just got it in the color Fair Light Neutral 16N, so I just needed a little bit of a darker shade. So I got that. And then I got this Essence mascara. It was literally $5, and I seen it on TikTok, and I thought it looked really good, so I wanted to give it a try. So that's what that looks like. And yeah, I didn't want to buy all this, but here we are. Now I'm going to get a little bit of gas, and then we're going to go to Target. I'm sorry, this was so out of focus the whole entire time. I am now back home from Target. I didn't really get anything too fun at Target. I just got one of these for body wash and, oh yeah, face wash. And then a little mini deodorant. I got these wet cleansing towels. I like to have these by the pool because, you know, your hands are dirty and you like to wipe them before you eat, whatever, things like that. And then a little mini shaving cream. And that's all I got from Target, nothing too fun. So what I did is I put my Dr. Bronner's body wash in here, And I realized I would just put my Maui Babe in here because I don't want to bring this huge thing. I don't need the face wash because Dr. Bronner's I could use for face wash because it's like a all over type of thing that you can use. So why not be efficient with my space? And now I have this little, where is it? I have a little label maker, and then I'm just going to make my body wash and Maui Browning Babe things because I'm a little crazy. We are off to get the nails done. I'm sorry, this is about to be so bumpy because I'm trying to drive. But I shouldn't be vlogging and driving, but it's fine. I'm a great driver. Anyways, I want to do a cute little design, so I hope that my nail girl has time for that because I want to do something fun. But we're off to start our day off with getting our nails done. So here we go. You guys, are we obsessed or what? I never do designs and this is just so fun. I feel like it's such a little Miami vibe. I go to Rose at Obsession Nails if you are from the Michigan area. And yeah, that's it. Alright, I am trying on outfits, looking like a whole ass mess. I'm just trying to put together what I want to wear. I got this dress from Revolve. It's by Meow, or however you pronounce it. I feel like this is really fun and cute. Such a Miami vibe. I wish I had a pair of like hot pink heels or something to wear with it. Let's see, maybe these. If I can get them on. I'm not really loving that. Let's see, white. I don't have these on all the way, obviously, but I feel like these are my best bet. I'm gonna try to do some day shopping in Miami, and if I find like a cute hot pink heel, then I'll definitely do that. But these will be it if I do not find it. So I feel like that's cute. So I have this next outfit that I really like. This is a Danielle Guzio corset, and then these green local European heels. And I was thinking these Tony Bianco mules. Or, no, I think these Zara ones are going to be better because it matches the top a little bit more. But I feel like, I don't know if it's giving Miami. Super cute, but not like a super Miami type of vibe. I don't know. I also ordered the same Danielle Guzio corset in a gray color, just, you know, give myself some options. And I have these white Aritzia pants. They're called the Ibiza pant. And I'm thinking with the white heel, I feel like this is giving more of a fun Miami light vibe. I'm liking this a little bit better. So we have this fit, but I'm not really into it. It's this Meow, another Meow corset from Revolve, Amanda Uprichard mini skirt, which is nice because you don't feel like everything's about to come out. And these Steve Madden heels. I don't know, it's like hard to put on outfits when you're not ready and things don't look right. But I love the top. I just feel like the skirt, I don't know, not really into it. Okay, I feel like I'm liking this better, this corset with these black local European cargos. And I don't know if you can tell, I folded the pants over. So I feel like it gives that cute little low-rise vibe. I'm definitely more into this than the skirt. I thought this would be a cute little daytime fit. TNA tank, really old, what's it called? Urban Outfitters cargo shorts, and then just some orange Yeezy slides. So I'm now just folding some laundry. I like to wait to do laundry till the day before a trip so I have all the things that I need. I put new clean sheets on the bed because I love coming home to a clean house. Nothing feels better after you've been away. And yeah, just picked up the house, doing laundry, putting new sheets, and that's it. It looks like someone threw up all over here, but I think I have most of my outfits ready. I have like my 4 bikini outfits that I'm wearing during the day. I have my 3 nighttime outfits, and I have like 2 day outfits, and then I just packed like a couple of random shorts and tops I could throw together, and a pair of joggers and a t-shirt just in case I like am lounging in the hotel room or something like that. I have my toiletry bag ready. This is the perfume I'm bringing. I love this for vacation. It's like the best summery vacation smell ever, so that is the scent of my vacation. I'm very big on scents, so there's that. So I'm gonna start putting my stuff in my packing cubes. I have like my makeup all packed up over there. I think I need to bring my Revlon, whatever it's called. Air wrap, not air wrap, whatever. But I have my makeup bag packed, brushes, hair products, curling iron, which I doubt I'll even curl my hair, but it's good to have, so there we are. You guys, I got these packing cubes on Amazon, and I always thought they were like no big deal, but let me tell you, these are a game changer for being organized. I literally had this whole bed covered in clothes. John's like, what do you want to do with that? Like, there's no way you're fitting all of our clothes in there. And we literally condensed everything, both of our clothes, into these little packs. I'm gonna link these down below because they are amazing. Finally all done packing. We have to be up in 5 hours. I will see you guys tomorrow in Miami.